Hello everyone, welcome to Arrosoft CloudAny. CloudAny is a true any-to-any cloud migration tool that allows you to migrate any Windows or Linux instance from any hypervisor or bare metal server to any private cloud or public cloud. In this video, we'll showcase how simple it is to set up and use CloudAny to migrate a VMware VM to Zadara public cloud. This is the summary of the installation step. Installation of target tar server, Zadara API configuration, install source tar server as a VMware, add VMware API to management portal, replication from VMware to Zadara cloud, convert to Zadara image, attach and boot up the image. So make changes in the source server and we do a resync again, then we convert again to Zadara image and check whether the changes is made or not. So this is today's summary. So source tar server name as tar01, source VM name as Ubuntu 18. So our target tar server will be demo tar server 6. So before we move on, you need to create elastic IP for the target tar server. And then you need to set the NSG, which is the network security group, to allow the ingress port for 22.443.3389, 20,000 and 20,010. And the last, you need to create a Zadara new API access key so that our management portal can access Zadara via access key. First, we install target tar server. So run as administrator. Next, install the management. Change to D drive. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Click finish. Install Linux converter. Linux converter install. Now we log in to the portal. We can log in from the external using the elastic IP. The username is admin. Password will be admin also. Go to system setting. We need to edit the time. So change to Taipei, which is my source server time. You also can change the language, English or any other language. Click submit. So setting is updated. So next will be apply license. Go to system setting. Go to license. Activation. Name. Email. Active key. So I already pre-copy active key on my notepad. Activate. So after this we will add Zadara API. Go to cloud. Add. So choose Zadara. Select HTTPS. Address will be your data center. So our data center is Sydney. So copy the link. Delete the HTTPS. Put in the account. Username and password. Now this is the time we use the exit key. Also I already pre-copy. Verify the connection. So choose the project. Do not use DVS. Now we add the task server. Cloud. Zadara. Our target task server in Zadara. Demo task server 6. Make sure your WAN IP is there. Verify the connection. Submit. Remember to add the elastic IP to the target task server. Now we install the source task server installation. As usual, run as admin. Do not require to install management. Click finish. Now we need to connect source task server to our Zadara target task server using connection tool. We need to know target task server elastic IP and the security code. Now we go to system setting to get the security code. Click connect. Task server added. Check in the Zadara target task server management portal. It will show the source tar server. So now we add the VMware API. Click add VMware. Put in your EXX host IP. Username and password. Verify. Submit. So now the VMware is added. You will notice the tar server VM logo is changing. Now we go to client, add the source VMware client for replication. Choose VMware server. Choose the tar server. This is the EXS host or the VM. We are choosing Ubuntu 18 for replication. So you can see the info. Total disk size is 25 GB. OS type is Linux. Now we do the replication job. Click add. Ubuntu 18. Select replication. Standard is A to B. Cascade is A to B, B to C. Last is parallel is A to B and C. So now select your target server. Click next. So select the disk. So what type of Zadara disk? So this is replication configuration. License count to use 0. Still have 2 replication job can be used. Snapshot 3 means have 3 recovery version. And the interval is set to 60 minutes. Address need to point to elastic IP target tar server. Click next. So this is replication summary. So from Ubuntu 18 to tar 01, then demo server 6. Click run. The replication job will be submit. We will prepare the target disk Ubuntu 18. You can see replication disk. So this is preparing. Now the disk is attached. This is where the CloudAny API created the disk to Zadara and communicate with the source VMware tar server. Click the meshes again. You can see it's reading from the VMDK and the VMDK size is 3.6 GB. So you can see the progress 100% in the left, right will show 0.0. 100% is on the source tar server. It have all the data info and is now ready to write to target tar server. So target tar server still show 0.0%. Now show 18.2% in the target side, and it write the data 9.5 MB per second. We'll be back after the replication job done. When the replication completed, the target snapshot creator message will appear. And when you click the message, you will see the green. So this is the last message of the replication job. Now let's go to task server Zadara, see the volume. Now you don't have volume. When I refresh the task server 6, it will show extra disk, which is the source client disk, replication disk. We can click the disk to get more info. So you can see 25 GB. Now we go back to management console and do the recovery. Add, choose the server, choose developer test by snapshot. Do not choose recovery by this, so if not it will delete the replication job. So choose the version. Now we only got one snapshot version. Choose the disk you want. This is where you set the Zadara VPC, vCPU, subnet, security group. Choose public IP v4 so that it won't create a new elastic IP. So my security group is demo4. This is my VPC. And click next. This is a recovery summary. Click run. It will create a new snapshot disk from the source client replication disk. So now the snapshot disk is created. Let's go check. Demo task server 6 volume. You can see extra disk created, snapshot disk. So basically it cloned from the replication disk. Now it started to convert the disk to become a bootable drive. Then it will spin up the instance. Okay, system converted. Now we will try to detach the disk from the task server. Now use the clone disk to create a new instance. So public IPv4 means that it won't create a elastic IP. It will use internal IP only. Operating system successfully booted means that the recovery job is completed. So let's go to Zadara. Let's check the volume still there or not. So let us refresh. So the snapshot disk converted to become the source VM server. You can see the Ubuntu 18 is created under the instance. So now we log in to the server. Log in using the source server username and password. My file system all is working. So now we go back to our management portal, then click the recovery job and delete from here. First, we'll delete the instance from Zadara. Second, we'll delete the recovery job but keep the instance in Zadara. So the delete process is running. It will delete the VM even the VM is still on. So done. Let's check in Zadara. So the server already deleted. Yeah, you can see from here. Now we go back to the source server, Ubuntu 18. Make some modification, then do a resync again. So I copy a few more files to simulate the changes. Now I recopy few files. Server still on, but I will do the resync. Just click the sync, delta. We'll start the sync again. So the size of the changes is 14.5 MB. Now target snapshot created. We do the recovery again. Select the same server. Developer test. Again choose the instance name, the subnet, and remember choose the public IPv4. Okay, click run again, and it will take some time. We'll be back. system converter. Now detach the disk, and now we will create a new instance again. Using internal IP again. Now operating system booting up. Now we can verify again from the Zadara side. Go to the Ubuntu again, connect, log in the username and password. Go to the folder, test folder. Yeah, it detected the changes and sync to the new replication job. Thanks for watching.